At what age does menstruation typically begins? Girls start menstruating at the average age of 12. However, girls can begin menstruating as early as 8 years of age or as late as 16 years of age. Women stop menstruating at menopause, which occur at about the age of 51. At menopause, a woman stops producing eggs, which means she stops ovulating. Menopause is defined as 1 year without periods, and after this time, a woman can no longer become pregnant. Symptoms of a normal menstruation. So here are the symptoms you should note out for a normal menstruation. The first one we'll talk about is moodiness. Some women experience mood swings, being angry often. All these are signs of a normal menstrual cycle. Normally, when women experience their periods, they tend to have mood swings, become angry at the slightest thing. So this is one of the signs and symptoms of a normal menstrual period. Move on to the next one, food craving. Some women out there crave a whole lot during their periods. It's also a sign of normal menstruation. Some people actually think they are pregnant because of the food cravings, but we're telling you that it's a sign of a normal menstrual cycle. Cramps. Yeah, some people experience cramps. It's a sign of menstrual period. If you're having stomach cramps and back pains, it's a sign of menstrual period. So you don't have to kill, you don't have to fight yourself, you don't have to think that you have some kind of underlying infections or whatever it is. You don't have to take some medications and all those stuff. So it's a sign that you have normal menstrual flow. So the next one is bloating. What do I mean by bloating? This is the experience you have after eating late night food and you wake up in the morning. You feel like your stomach is being bloated. You feel like you want to use the restroom and all those stuff. So that's what I mean by bloating. It's a sign that you're having a normal menstrual cycle. Some people actually feel nausea or vomiting. They want to vomit, they feel nauseous, they feel like throwing up. It's also a sign of normal menstrual cycle. Now, some people feel tenderness in the breasts. Yeah, don't be surprised. Some people feel tenderness in the breast or even the breast swells. So, during your normal menstrual cycle, if you experience breast tenderness, there is no call for alarm. So you are experiencing a normal menstrual flow. And the last one is acing. When you're having acnes all over your face or your body, it means you're having a normal menstrual flow. So what are the signs and symptoms you should note for a menstrual flow that is not normal? The first one I'll talk on is severe cramps. I talked about cramps in the first one, but in this one, I'll be talking about severe cramps. In this situation, if you observe that you always have severe cramps, like it's beyond normal, it's giving you sleepless nights, it's making you restless, it's giving you doubts and all those stuff, it advised you should seek for medical attention. You should meet up to a hospital, you meet your doctor, any physician or health therapist, you meet someone and explain your problems, run a test, and know if there is any underlying trouble or problem that you need to handle, which causes all these severe cramps. So the next one is if you notice that you've not started menstruating at the age of 16 I said for a lady, you're meant to start menstruating at the age of 12, while some people experience early menstruation at the age of 8, and also some people experience late menstruation at the age of 16. So if you know that you're up to 16 years or more than, and you've not experienced your menstrual period, it advised you visit a health center or visit your doctor and explain so that you will know what your problem is. So the next one is your period stops suddenly. If you notice that your period has stopped suddenly, even in the absence of no pregnancy, it is advised you visit your doctor. You are not pregnant and suddenly you don't see your period again, or even if after coming out from a family planning and you've stayed for more than 3 months and you've not seen your period, it's advised you visit your doctor to know what your health problem is. And the next one is if you're bleeding more than the normal or usual days you're meant to bleed. Some people see their period for more than 1 week, which is 7 days, while some people don't even see up to 2 days. So if you know that your period is less than 2 days or more than 7 days, it's a situation you need to contact your doctor or speak to any health physician out there and seek solution to your problem. Now the next one is if you're bleeding more heavily than usual. If you know that you normally bleed normal, you don't bleed heavily, or throughout your period you're always having a very heavy flow, and I mean heavier than usual, heavier than what you've been experiencing before. If you know that you've been bleeding heavier than usual, it's a sign that you should contact your doctor and seek for medical solution. So the next one is if you suddenly feel sick after using tampons. If you know that you're always sick after using tampons, it's advised you visit your doctor. So I'll list out the following symptoms you should observe that you need to visit your health personnel for medical solution. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Don't fail to comment. Those comments are necessary. Those comments tells me what to do, where to correct myself, and what to give out the next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.